the state of Meghalaya.
Cabinet Minister Alexander Laluhek has asked the Hnlc National Liberation Council and the government, both state and central, to be flexible to bring the peace talks back on track. He said peace has to prevail in Meghalaya at any cost. The Hnlc recently announced its decision to withdraw from the tripartite peace talks with the centre and the state, alleging their core demands are not being addressed.
Talk about the development. The peace has to prevail in the state of Meghalaya at any cost. If the peace is there, then always the development also will be there. So that's why I also appeal to our friends to come to the peace talk across the table, to talk for peace, for the development of the states and for the benefit, for all-round benefit of the people of the state of Meghalaya.